Happy Easter, people. Hope you've had a blessed Easter. It's another week, so therefore, another weekly analysis. Gonna be consistently doing this, like I said. Gonna be consistently doing this, and let's just get straight into it. So, Nas, let's just start with Nas. This week, actually, I traded gold, guys. This is a very big surprise for me, actually. I had my best trade this week was a trade on gold, which is surprising because I normally hate on gold, but recently I've just been looking at it. Anyways, let's start off on the weekly actually. Yeah. Let's start off on the weekly. What can we see? Is this I think this is a SMT. Am I correct in saying that? Am I correct in saying that this is a SMT? No, it's not. But we were close to making it SMT. I'm talking in regards to this low here. We were close to making it SMT, but it's not. So let's go back on the daily, sorry. Weekly even, sorry. Not much on the weekly, other than the fact that we've swept these lows. Suggesting potential bullish action, but you know, that doesn't have to happen. I mean, this whole leg was kind of bearish, but it seems like market conditions have kind of found its stability again. And obviously, long term, we still have these highs which need to be taken. Now, let's go on the daily. Let's now mark out our daily levels. You know, we have draws on liquidity here and draws on liquidity here. You know, and that's about it, really. Just those draws on liquidity. By the way, I haven't done any further insight before I started recording this. So this is going to be my first outlook on the markets. Um, Markets are kind of confused right now. I think I'd want to see some sort of. If you look on the 9 hourly, well, let me just go to the 4 hourly. We have this draw on liquidity here. I think I need to see some sort of liquidity get reacted after have a further indication as to what's going on with the markets. Now, price could sweep here or could sweep above, and then we would know what's going on from there. Potentially, I'll look for some sort of trade in the opposite direction after we came high. Maybe we might accumulate. Right now, it seems like we're kind of accumulating on the 4 hourly basis, shall I say. Obviously, if we scale down now, we might see even further opportunities, but on the 4 hourly, it's definitely some sort of accumulation. But I feel like long term we're heading down towards these draws. Just currently based off of market structure, I can already see this kind of order block here that's already been respected. There's not much bullish order flow that has been printed. I'm just seeing this bearish imbalance got respected. Bearish order block got respected. There hasn't really been one bullish indicator that tells me, okay, we're gonna go up. No. Overall, the draw on liquidity may be lower, but I still want to see clearer indications now. We have this New York low here and this New York low here. So this could be a potential good target. I'm not saying it is the final target. It could be a potential good target to look for some opportunities. Equally, this London high. Yeah. That is what I'm going to be looking for throughout this coming week. I feel it as though it's going to be a good week. Now, let me show you this gold trade that I actually entered. Because you know me, I hate gold. I mean, you probably don't even know me, but I hate gold. But surprisingly, I think it was the 3 hourly, or was it the 4 hourly? So, no, I think it was the 4 hourly. Yeah. So, Notice this 4 hourly fair value gap get respected. I only notice it once, this internal market structure. I'm currently still in this trade, by the way. I noticed this once this internal market structure actually got shifted. And I was wondering, why is it just randomly shifted? So then I scaled out and then I saw, okay, we're in this 4 hourly fair value gap. Then I think it was on the 3 minute now. I realized that it printed a imbalance. Basic setup. Long term fair value gap gets respected. Higher time frame fair value gap gets respected. Breaker structure, set limits to the imbalances. I put it slightly above it because gold is just weird, and put my stop loss just below here. And then obviously the rest speaks for itself, really. I'm still in the trade. Obviously the market's just closed, but probably gonna close as soon as the market opens because I can't lie, the only reason why I'm still in it is because I kind of forgot. But I ended up just targeting these highs here. And that's literally it. Now the DXY, let's actually just look at, see if we have any news. Nothing. Nothing on Monday. Nothing on Tuesday. Flash PMI, not really concerned. Wednesday's alright. Thursday is okay. Friday. Core retail sales sometimes do have an effect, but I'm not really too concerned. So this week isn't really a news based week. And as for crypto, we are still shit. I don't know what the fuck is going on with Bitcoin, but we're still shit with crypto, but it is what it is. That's it for the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Stay blessed. Hope you all had a very good Easter. May God continue to bless every single one of you who takes time to watch this video to the end. Thank you.